it's Ruby and today I'm going to be showing you a university room tour which has been so highly requested literally since the day I moved to university. Very aware this poster is going to fall. I have had this poster in every single one of my university rooms. It was a leaving present from my English teacher when I left school. Okay, then here's my dorm. I've just put my conch in here, my ski coat because I get very cold. I'm also using this Santa sack as my laundry bag. I also just put this little mat down here, but I just really like it. I love the textures of it. It looks very farmhousey. Okay, so then if we move over here, this is my wardrobe and it's massive, like absolutely huge. I was not expecting the wardrobe to be this big. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 doors, and there are cupboards at the top. I haven't even tried opening these because I don't have nearly enough things with me to fill those. There is a lot of storage in here, and all of these doors are like sliding. So along the top there are these compartments, and both of these two are just basically holding bags and boxes that I can use if and when I go home. And also hangers, because they actually came with hangers, this wardrobe, and so I bought these but I didn't need them. Then here I've got some board games. So I've got Junior Dingbats, Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit, and a pack of playing cards. Here are my course books. So most of my books I'm actually buying on Kindle this year. I don't have many physical ones. I've just brought my Complete Poems of Emily Dickinson with me. This is the textbook for my theatricals module, and then these 3 books are library books I've got out at the moment. One of them's on Whitman, one of them's on Dickinson, and one of them is called Empire for Liberty, which I spotted when I was at the library, and I was like, wow, this is the perfect book to get for my module on American literature, literally called Empire of Liberty. So this is about Herman Melville, and I'm very intrigued to see where that phrase Empire for Liberty comes from and how that might have informed our module title. I don't have a bookcase in this room, but obviously I wanted a place to display my books, so I've used this shelf for my books, and I was planning on getting a bookshelf and putting it there, but I probably won't do that. These were belated birthday presents when I came back to university. So this one's from Blakeney and this one's from Sasha. So Sasha got me this Arthur Rackham fairy book, and it's got the most gorgeous illustrations. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful. Blakeney bought me this absolutely stunning book. It's called Bibliophile, and the illustrations inside are just gorgeous. It's all about books. Oh my gosh, literally, she knows me so well. Most of these are fiction books. You can definitely pause and see what books I've got here. So then, as you can see, I've got this massive array of drawers. So in the top one I've got cleaning supplies like disinfectant wipes. These are latex gloves, surface spray, that's hand wash solution, and my favourite thing, which is Dettol spray. Then in the second one, so my hats are here. These are like little accessories, gloves, and then all back here I've got scarves. Yes, I did bring 4 scarves with me. My favourite scarf at the moment is this one from Miss Patina. It's like, kind of reminds me of maybe like the 1920s or 30s, and that's sailor style, which was really fashionable. I don't know, I very much enjoy it. Next drawer is tops and t-shirts. Then in here I've got skirts and then trousers and shorts. In this one I have underwear. This is sportswear, pyjamas. They're very shallow drawers as well. It looks like I've got loads in here, but all of these layers are just one thick. Then there's a little gap here, and then in these ones, basically cameras, chargers, tripod, and then in here I've got SD card. In here I've got my other electronics. This is a screen protector I still need to put on my phone. Empty. And the final one is random things that I didn't know where else to put. So those are all the drawers, and I will just briefly show you the rest of my wardrobe. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Here are my hanging clothes. Then down here I've got my school bag. This is the bag I take to university every day. Exercise mat, my bike stuff, and my tennis racket. I do very much enjoy this bike helmet, I've got to say. It's on back to front, isn't it? This is the other one. I've just got a few more hanging things. That was a lamp that came with the room I didn't want to use. Then I have a mirror here, which is very nice. This mirror is so dirty. Over the top I have some photographs. And then we move on to a very, very cool part of my room, which I am very excited about because I've always loved the idea of having a sink in my room. Very useful, especially with COVID, because it means that I can wash my hands whenever I want, very easily from the comfort of my bedroom. I've just decorated the back wall with loads of my favourite photographs. Back here I've got my hair accessories, like hair clips, scrunchies. All my makeup is in here. And I've also got this eyeshadow palette. I've never used any of these ones, but I do like these ones. Obviously the essentials for a sink, and then up here I've just got some like skincare bits, and here is my digital thermometer, which the university actually gave us. So I take my temperature with this every morning just to make sure that I am not exhibiting symptoms of COVID. Under the sink I've just got some more toiletries, hand sanitizer, a towel, and I've got a box which is empty, and also a spare towel and my contact lenses. Oh, by the way, I've also got this rug here, which I brought from home, and I just think this adds like such a nice homey touch to the room. Next we've got this dark academia mood board, which I am so happy with. I'm so happy with how it turned out. The backing base I use is just like torn out articles from the New Yorker, because I have loads of old New Yorkers, so I just use that as the background, and then I stuck postcards over the top. I'll just point out a few of my favourites. So this is from the British book reader. She sent it to me. Abby is lovely. Photo of Natasha and I love this photo. There's Jade and I, Esme Kitty. This is from Alice in Wonderland the ballet. Wooden spoon, and my beautiful, beautiful mum. Isn't she so gorgeous? Look at that photo. I've got Emmeline Pankhurst. Blakeney gave me this Kafka one, which I am obsessed with. Next here I have this chair, which to be fair I don't really use, but I like the idea of using it. I love curling up in armchairs to read, and now that I'm sat here I'm wondering why I don't do this more often. This was in the room when I moved in, and I've got a really nice throw over the top because I didn't really like the colour of it, and then I've just decorated it with this cushion that says "Let's build a fort." So as you can probably imagine, this is where I spend the bulk of my time, and I'm really happy with, again, like just the general decor of this. As you can see, I've actually got a blanket over the top. It's like this cherry wood, and I really, really hate this colour of wood. Like orangey wood, I just really don't like. I'm always finding more productive when I work on a white surface, so I've done the best thing I can do, which is putting this on. So far it's worked pretty well. Oh, also down by the side of the desk I have this Teotronics lamp, and I've got this poster that keeps on falling down. I need to find a way to put it up. And then under my chair I've got a box of candles, which is very important. Over my chair I've just put this, I think it's meant to be a tablecloth actually. Then this is my desk, and over this side I've always got some water on this lovely coaster. This is from Carations, which is a lovely Etsy shop. I've got my laptop, and then over here I've got a photograph of my family in this gold frame with a little Polar Express ticket. I've got this cute little pen pot. You can see I've got some dried lavender in here, which is kind of molting. And then I've also got a candlestick and candle stuffer. So then I have got drawers, which is really cool. Okay, so first of all, top drawer, I've got my pens in here. Then I've got other, like, mainly this is washi tape and sticky notes. Hand sanitizer. In here I've got my vintage Zebra Sarasa pens. Then Apple Pencil, calculator. I've got this little memo pad as well, which is coming in very useful. In the second drawer, I have got notebooks. So obviously on top, I've got my academic planner, notebooks, more notebooks. I've got a whiteboard under there too. And then I've got my headphones for when I'm studying. And then finally, in the bottom drawer, I've just got a white lines note paper thing, and also letter writing supplies, a dress book, watercolour paints, and these are things I can use to decorate my letters with. By the side of my desk, I've got this printer, which has really been playing up, so I haven't actually been able to use it since coming back to university. I need to fix this, and I've also got this folder and my iPad. So then this is my window. As you can see, the window is frosted. I'm not gonna lie, it can be quite annoying sometimes, but also it makes it look really misty, like October, November mist all of the time, which is perfect to study to, so I can't complain too much. So then if we move over here, I've got these two posters. I love the Titanic. I'm really interested by it. And so I have these two posters up. Number 1, number 2. I've also got this cute little thing inspired by the Nutcracker. So now we move over to my favourite bit of the room, I think, which is the bed. I'm just really happy with how this turned out. As you can see, the fairy lights very sadly dropped down. It looked a lot better when these were up all the way, but alas, they are now in a heap on the floor, and it still looks very nice over here, but this is slightly bare and lacking, so I do need to find a way to put these back up. So above my bedside table, I have all of these photographs, letter organizer, so basically sorting letters I want to send, letters I need to reply to. I've got this book of letters which we wrote during lockdown, and also the book I'm reading at the moment. Lavender pillow mist, this cute polar bear lamp. Don't you just love this? I'm obsessed. Then in the drawer, I just have a few bits. The other book I'm reading at the moment, my journal, hand cream, glasses. Bookmarks usually sit here, but I'm basically using all of them at the moment. And I've also got this fidget cube, which I actually do very much enjoy using if I'm stressed. So that goes in there. And then at the bottom, I've just got some magazines. This is such a kind of random thing for a 20-year-old to have a subscription to, but I have a subscription to Country Living magazine, and so I keep my copies down here. I love this magazine so much. This cushion was from eBay, this one's from Dunelm. I've got my childhood favourite soft toy. This is a microwave one, like you can use it as a hot water bottle. And on the other side, I'm gonna have to make my bed after this. I've got the cutest avocado. It's so good. It's so lovely to hug at night. Like, I would totally recommend you getting one of these. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my university room tour 2020. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I hope that you have a productive week.